Formlabs is one of the most popular printers in the market, as they are quite cost effective. You will probably looking at a dental model costing around the regions of £2 to £3.20 per arch. Earlier yesterday we did a particular print, slightly different. Not your general dental requirements, but we've printed a little flower. What it actually does, you have a laser that actually does the printing, and it printed sort of so the actual print comes upside down. So that's the actual print that we did. This one did take slightly longer due to the height of it, so you do have quite a big depth of height available on the Formlabs, which is not generally possible with other printing materials. We did actually print this in the grey resin cartridge, also used for dental models. The whole purpose of this, once it's been completed, the post-processing would be actually to place it in the foam wash part of the ecosystem, which is this little unit. Now the foam wash system, how what it actually does is you place the whole platform into the washing system. It will spin around for about 20 minutes, removing any excess residue. The tank does require approximately about 8.7 litres of isopropyl alcohol, and what it generally does over a particular period of time, it will then notify you as to when you need to remove or change the actual solution. So that just pops in. You then pop the start button. The models will then be submerged into the solution for 20 minutes with a little fan system at the bottom, which will spin the isopropanol solution, remove any excess liquid. Once that's actually completed, the actual products will automatically come up to notify it's been done. Good thing about the foam wash system is it will also clean the whole platform system, so you don't have an additional cleaning step as before. So that is then removed. You would then take your models out from here, and it will be placed onto the foam curing unit. Now the foam curing unit, what it actually does, it works at 60-degree temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes on a turntable. That's the Formlabs ecosystem. We're at the Park Plaza Riverbank on -4. Do come down, have a chat, and we can do a demo and see how it will fit into your practice. Thank you.